This is Dime from Northside Mitsubishi giving a quick show on how to enable the Carplay or Android Auto in your 2023 RVR. First, take the USB end of your iPhone charger, plug one side into your phone, other side into the vehicle. Now, the Carplay option should pop up. Now, if it does not, simply click Home and click the Apple CarPlay button, and here you'll see a variety of options. You can quickly jump to both your maps, where you can click the search bar, go to your books, or music, and as well as other options. You can click the double screen to split it up, or click it again as multiple buttons to see your different apps available. You can also even go into Google Maps, should have search bars and options just above. Now you can also use Siri directly by holding down this side. Siri pops up, "Hey Siri, take me to McDonald's."
One possibility I see is McDonald's on 127 Avenue 120.
And with that, you can immediately select the areas of preference. It'll show you directions, and then you can click on where to go. And just like that, whenever you want to hop back, you can click these buttons or put into a split screen.
To McDonald's. Proceed to 125A Avenue Northwest. Then turn right.
Exactly, just like that. And once again, to enable Siri, simply hold on to the side button. And Siri pops up right there in the center to hear you out. This has been Done with Northside Mitsubishi.